Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to open an HSBC bank account online in UK. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser and now go to hsbc.co.uk. Now once you scroll down and you'll see an option for who can apply. So make sure you meet all of these eligibility criteria. Now here you'll see an option if you want to apply for a sole account or a joint account. So just click the one you want to make. Now you'll see the eligibility again over here. Make sure you have all of these. Now scroll down and click on confirm and start. Now first of all, enter your personal details, enter your email address over here. Now select your title and your surname. Now answer all of these questions accordingly, then enter your date of birth, your place of birth. Now also choose your nationality and also your marital status. Then enter the number of dependent children you have and click on continue. Now you'll have to enter your phone number over here, also your address. You'll also have to enter when did you move to this address. Now click on continue. Now you'll have to enter your financial details. Now select your occupation and also your employment status. Also enter when you started your employment. Answer all of these questions and also enter your income as well. Now for tax purpose, enter where you are located and click on continue. So once you do all of these, your HSBC account will be successfully made. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.